Hey folks, welcome back to another ride on our Jira tutorial series. Today, in tutorial number 15, we're going to delve into an interesting feature of Jira, known as Swimlanes. By the end of this video, not only will you have a solid know-how of configuring Swimlanes, but you'll also understand how they can dramatically enhance your board view, keep your work organized, and make your workflow more efficient. All right, let's hit the ground running. You might hear some rumblings online that in the new Jira version, Swimlanes don't do much. They just expand and collapse your board view. But don't let that fool you, folks. Swimlanes could be the hidden treasure that turns your Jira board into a productivity powerhouse. To dive into this, go ahead and head over to your Jira board. Navigate your way through all the organized chaos of your currently ongoing and planned projects and tasks. Now let's find those Swimlane settings, lurking patiently there for you to unlock their potential. They're at the bottom. Just click and voila. You're a step closer to exploring the power of Swimlanes. Once you click on the Swimlanes, you'll see an option to expand and collapse all. And right there, folks, is a game changer for keeping your board visibility clean and clear. You get to control the level of detail visible on your board. Is today a big picture day? Collapse them. Need to get into the nitty-gritty? Expand at your will. It's all about giving you that flexibility. Okay, moving right along, it's time to talk about grouping methods. True to the spirit of customization, Jira doesn't force a one-size-fits-all approach on you. Instead, you get a spanky drop-down menu to choose your preferred grouping method. Say you're working with a team and want to see tasks by assignees. Just select assignees from the drop-down. Maybe you're more of an epics person and want to track progress based on the epic instead. Just go ahead and select epics. Or perhaps you'd like to organize by projects or stories. Well, Jira's got you covered there too. The aim here is to give you a board view that aligns with your natural workflow preference. Think of it like arranging your desk. Some folks love to group by project, others by urgency, and some by resource type. Jira. Swimlanes respect that and let you be you. And that's it, folks. That's how you can effectively configure Swimlanes in Jira to make your work life more sorted, organized, and navigable. But hey, don't go just yet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more such insightful tutorials. Got a question or an observation? Go on and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and respond to any queries you might have. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.